Hi there, welcome back to Alpha Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about retaining, oh, sorry, no, not retaining, sorry, retain IQ, retain IQ, which is basically a software that allows you to deliver customized email marketing campaigns and text message solution, right? And it's basically powered by AI and it's specifically for direct to consumer brands. Okay, so straight away we can see that the headline is very clear. It clearly states that it's an AI powered managed email program for growing DTC brands. So very transparent. If we scroll down, they have immediately got an element of credibility in terms of the high 4.97 out of 5 star rating on Shopify and the Master Gold award from Klaviyo. So this is really good in terms of credibility, and even more social proof being displayed by this slideshow of brands that they've previously worked with. And and basically it says that they've been trusted by more than 100 plus DTC brands. So again, more credibility. Here they simply go more in depth about all the all the tools that they offer, like email automation and email campaigns, and also email personalization based on your specific audience. And you can see the different types of emails that they can basically make for you. This is also good in terms of the stats that they've been able to generate for their clients, including more than $50 million generated through email marketing campaigns, which is very impressive. And here, what they do, they also specifically state the comparison between them and other traditional campaigns, stating that they're cheaper and they've got a lot more going for them compared to the other. And what they do well here is they've added a very good number of video testimonials, and these are very powerful for credibility. And the prospect will definitely be looking at this if they were considering working with this company. And here even more stats about what they're able to achieve for their clients. So if we scroll down, we can see that um, so this is a very good example of a good um, incentive to submit your to grab your contact details, because not only it is, first of all, it is a very short form. So they're asking for two things: your name and email. So the opt-ins on this contact form are probably going to be very high, but most importantly, they have some objection handling and they clearly state to you what they're going to do with your email. They clearly say that they're going to review your flows, automations, campaigns, opt-ins, template designs, and KPIs. Okay, and they say that they're going to discover key revenue building opportunities that could take your email marketing to the next level. And they're saying this is a free audit. Okay, so this is a very attractive incentive and lead magnet for a prospect that might have been looking for something like this, and they're doing it completely for free by simply inputting your contact details. So this is a very good example of how it's done. Okay, and then it's the end of the web page. I guess one thing that they could have done to increase the number of conversions as well is to add a specific frequently asked questions at the bottom of the page, and these are very helpful to handle any objection that a prospect might have about using your service, right? And also potentially might have added a contact form at the top of the page as well, like they've done at the bottom. But I think at the bottom works better here because they've got a lot of images here. Um, I guess I would have liked to. Well, they actually do show the pricing right here. You know, they say that the price starts here, so it's quite clear. But I guess they could have added more tiers. Also, I believe then this takes us to the end of the actual homepage because there's not many other things. I guess one thing that as conversion rate optimization um, specialists we might do is to actually use heat maps to check which areas of the websites are actually being um, being targeted by the prospects. And also we might use other tools like A/B tests to make sure that we are maximizing the conversions of the website. Okay, so we might test what would happen to the conversions if we, for example, move this contact form a little bit higher up the page so that more prospects can see that. And things like this can therefore enable us to increase the conversions little by little. But other than that, I think this takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you do run a SaaS company with a free trial and you would like to increase your conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description to book a call, and I'll see if I can help you with that. Other than that, I hope you guys like the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.